everybody, welcome to Python Coders. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to allow your users to customize their very own song. So for this program, I'm going to be using the song Old MacDonald. So what you're going to do first to code this program is you're going to press File, New File, and then I'm going to write print, parentheses, quote, welcome to the song game. Exclamation point, quote, parentheses. So now I'm going to write print, parentheses, quote, please answer the following questions to get your very own song. So now we're going to start using inputs. Now, if you haven't learned prints and or inputs yet, then go back to some of my earlier videos where I show you how to use those. So if you do know these, then we're going to store our input, our answer to our input as a variable. So I'm going to name my variable name because the very first thing we want to ask them is for their name. So we can put Old Nick, their name. So we're going to write name equals input, parentheses, quote, what is your name? Okay. And then after this, we want to ask them a kind of strange question. So the song goes, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. So you already know their name, so we can put Old Mick, their name, had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. But then it goes, and on this farm, he or she had a animal. So our question is going to end up looking like this. Gender, 1, that's just what I'm going to name my variable, or gender, equals input. Are you a he or a she? It's a strange question, but we're relying on our users to input either he or she for our song. So now after that, we are going to ask them for 5 different animals and the sounds they make. So what I'm going to do is animal 1 equals parentheses, quote, please enter the name of an animal. And then sound, I'm going to name my variable sound 1 equals input. Oops, sorry, forgot to put an input here. Input. So input, please enter the sound that your animal makes. Now we have 1 animal and the sound that animal makes, but we need 5 different ones. So a little shortcut, you can just copy and paste this 5 times. Whoops, I wrote sounds. Okay, so we've right now have 5 different ones, all named animal 1 and sound, 5 different sets of variables named animal 1 and sound 1. So you want to change these so that each variable is different. So I'm going to just do animal 1, sound 1, animal 2, sound 2, animal 3, sound 3, and then animal 4, sound 4, animal 5, and sound 5. So now that we've done this, we have all the questions that we need to ask our user. So in the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to make this all come together and make one big long song with our users' answers. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it. If you have any questions or ideas for new videos, please put them in the comments below, and I'll try my best to address them. Happy programming!